Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Guide to Food and Drinks. Ginataang manok is a Filipino chicken soup made from chicken in coconut milk with green papaya and other vegetables, garlic, ginger, onion, patis, fish sauce, or bagoong alamang, shrimp paste, and salt and pepper. It is a type of ginataang. A common variant of the dish adds curry powder or non-native Indian spices and is known as Filipino chicken curry. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Visit our site at www.ophirph.com for more food review. Ginataang manok is ideally made with native chickens, traditionally raised in Filipino backyards. It is first sautéed with garlic, onion, and ginger, or turmeric, until lightly browned. Coconut milk is then added along with vegetables like green papaya, or chayote, leafy vegetables, including pecha, spinach, moringa leaves, etc., and peppers, usually bell peppers or siling haba. It is spiced with salt, pepper, and patis, fish sauce, or bagoong alamang, shrimp paste, and optionally, labayo chilies. Coconut cream, kakang gata, is usually added shortly before it is cooked and simmered in low heat. The dish is very similar to tinola or binakal, except for the use of coconut milk. Here are ginataang manok ingredients. 2 lbs chicken cut into serving pieces. 2 cups coconut milk. 1/2 bunch spinach. 2 tablespoons garlic minced. 1 large onion sliced. 2 tablespoons ginger julienned. 8 ounces green papaya wedged. 1/2 teaspoon paprika optional. 1 piece long green chili optional. 4 pieces Thai chili or siling labayo if available, chopped, optional. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Salt and pepper to taste. A more traditional approach requires native hen, usually grown in the backyard. It is much tastier compared to broiler chickens and adds more flavor to the dish. As many might have noticed, coconut milk plays a huge part in Filipino cuisine. Different Filipino recipes require the use of coconut milk and coconut juice. I think that this is a good thing because we are making the most out of what is abundant to us, but let's keep in mind that there are some people that still need to develop their taste buds for these types of dishes. Here are instructions on how to cook ginataang manok. First step. Heat the cooking pot and pour in the cooking oil. Second step. Sauté the garlic, onion, and ginger. Third step. Add the chicken and cook until the color of the outer part turns light brown. Fourth step. Pour in the coconut milk while stirring and bring to a boil. Fifth step. Sprinkle some paprika, then simmer for 30 minutes or until the chicken is tender and the coconut milk becomes thick. Sixth step. Add the long green chili and Thai chili, then simmer for 5 minutes. Seventh step. Add the green papaya, then simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. 8th step. Put in the spinach, salt, and pepper, then simmer for 3 minutes. 9th step. Turn off the heat, then transfer the cooked chicken to a serving plate. 10th and last step. Serve hot. Share and enjoy. Basically the process is like cooking tinola, but instead of chicken stock or water, coconut milk is used. You will also notice it has lots of ginger, as that gives the zing as well as the fresh taste that cuts well with the creamy coconut milk. A really nice recipe to make, especially if you are looking for chicken soup alternatives. It has all the elements but definitely better and bolder in taste. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more food review, visit our site at www.ophirph.com. Don't forget to click the notification bell.